Basic Architects. Yeah. We're out here at our off-site build. You can see we got a lot of things happening today. We got concrete planks, but that's for a different video.
So
Today I want to talk about what's happening below our feet here. So if you saw some of the other videos where we talked about setting the superior wall, setting the stone underneath it, here we have 2 inches R10 of XPS insulation. It's going to be underneath our slab. And then you can see here, the homeowner installed Stego wrap. So that's our vapor barrier and air retarder. It comes with their own proprietary tape. It gets turned up at the corners. The concrete slab will get poured literally right into the ribs here and make one nice continuous connection into each of those ribs on the superior wall. They work as like mini counterforts if you're familiar with heavy concrete construction. But check this out, as I walk in here you see the floor, but we've also set a few of the concrete planks up above us. So there is a lot happening here. This is actually under the garage. It's a 5-car garage above us. And this is all going to be workshop down here for the homeowner. We have this little bump out here, which is actually the stairs that come down from the garage, so you don't have to go through the house to get down here. We have our door to the outside, and then if you walk over here, you'll see all of the conduits for the electrical are in. They go down in the floor here, they go underneath, and they pop up down on the other side in the house. So everything is all set. One of the other things we set today, we set the steel beam. We actually have an overhead door here in the workshop, and so the solution there was to have a steel beam. Notice that there's welded studs on the top of that. The reason for the welded studs is that you have a bite for the concrete slab that will then get poured on top of that, right? It gets cast around those studs. Studs get cast inside that concrete. And the result is what we would term in engineering as composite action, right? Because the steel and the concrete, via the studs, are now forced to act as one. So, yeah, sorry, we just had something flying in overhead. We got to pay attention to it. So, but, anyways, this is our floor. We're insulated. We're down in the workshop at our offsite.